welcome back. So the episode begins with Manyata confronting Abhimanyu, saying she has been searching for him everywhere. Noticing Mannat watching them, Abhimanyu deliberately acts close to Manyata to convince Mannat that he isn't Vikrant. He promises Manyata that he will never leave her even after death and reminds everyone that they have loved each other since childhood. But Mannat refuses to believe his act. Deep inside, she is convinced that Abhimanyu is actually her husband Vikrant. Hiding her emotions, she blesses their relationship and says she hopes no evil eye falls on them. Manyata confidently warns that anyone who tries to separate them will face serious consequences. Mannat calmly replies that no one can separate two people truly meant for each other, but if someone belongs to another person, destiny will eventually bring them back together. Her words leave Manyata visibly shaken. Later, everyone gathers for a meal. Abhimanyu shows no interest in the food until he notices makhna kheer. The dessert unexpectedly stirs something deep inside him as he vaguely remembers someone saying it was Mannat's favorite. Realizing he's becoming emotional, he quickly pretends that he dislikes the food. Yuvi worries that Abhimanyu will never regain his memory if he refuses to eat. Mannat immediately comes up with another plan. She asks Manyata to feed Abhimanyu the kheer while secretly recording his reaction. However, Abhimanyu notices the recording and refuses to eat anymore, claiming he is already full. Soon, Bunty challenges him to an eating competition. After some hesitation, Abhimanyu accepts. As he starts tasting the familiar dishes, something unexpected happens. He instinctively calls Yuvi Birdie and tells him to be careful. Yuvi is left emotional after hearing the nickname, while Abhimanyu himself is confused about why it came so naturally. Sensing his confusion, Mannat explains that some dishes don't just satisfy hunger, they awaken memories hidden deep inside the heart. She says the recipes were Vikrant's favorite, perhaps reminding him of beautiful moments from his past. Although the experiment works partially, Dua decides to try one final test. She secretly loosens a heavy decorative board. As it begins to fall, Abhimanyu instantly rushes forward and saves her without thinking. The children happily cheer and call him Papaji's Banda. Instead of accepting their praise, Abhimanyu scolds Mannat for being careless. Dua simply smiles, saying she doesn't mind because he has every right to scold her. Manyata immediately questions what relationship Dua shares with Abhimanyu, but Dua cleverly avoids revealing the truth. Elsewhere, Samraggi tells Ankit that she is convinced Mannat and Abhimanyu are hiding something. Meanwhile, Kumar deliberately misleads Ankit by showing him Punit's photograph and falsely claiming that he is Vikrant Saluja. Although Ankit believes the lie, Kumar realizes that Mannat's fear were correct as people have already started investigating Vikrant's identity. Even after the distraction, Samraggi refuses to let go of her suspicions. In the pre-cap, Mannat finally decides to reveal Abhimanyu's real identity as Vikrant. But before she can tell him everything, Samraggi secretly overhears their conversation and vows that she will never allow Mannat and Vikrant to reunite. The biggest question now is, will Vikrant finally remember his past before Samraggi's next move changes everything? Thank you for watching. Bye.